Hello everyone. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about the internal organs of the human body. Let's begin. Liver. The liver is a large organ in the body that cleans the blood and produces bile. Keep in mind that the organ is a part of the body with a specific function, and the bile is a liquid produced by the liver that helps the body digest fats. Gallbladder. The gallbladder is a small organ located beneath the liver. Its main function is to store bile. Trachea. The trachea, also known as the windpipe, is a tube in the neck and chest that carries air from the throat to the lungs. Lung. The lung is one of the two organs in the chest that you breathe with. Esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular tube that carries food from the mouth to the stomach. Stomach. The stomach is an organ inside your body where food is digested. Kidney. The kidney is an organ that separates waste products from the blood to produce urine. Note that urine is the yellow liquid waste that comes out of your body. Bladder. The bladder is an organ where urine is stored before leaving the body. Small intestine. The small intestine is a long and narrow tube that continues the process of breaking down food from the stomach and absorbs nutrients from digested food. Large intestine. The large intestine, also known as the colon, is a part of the digestive system that follows the small intestine. It's where food changes into solid waste before leaving the body. Appendix. The appendix is a tiny, finger-shaped part in your belly. Its exact function isn't fully known, but recent research suggests it might help with your immune system. Spleen. The spleen is an organ near your stomach. Its function is to control the quality of your blood. Pancreas. The pancreas is an organ that produces enzymes for digestion and insulin to control blood sugar. Larynx. The larynx is a part of the throat where your voice is produced. Thyroid. The thyroid is an organ in the neck that produces hormones helping regulate metabolism and growth. Brain. The brain is the organ inside your head that controls your thoughts, movements, and emotions. Heart. The heart is the organ in your chest that pumps blood throughout your body. Reproductive system. The reproductive system is responsible for the creation of new life. It includes organs like testes and ovaries that produce reproductive cells, sperm and eggs, and a place like the uterus where a baby can grow. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye and take care.